Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at a product that was sent out to me to review. Now, this is a product that I definitely plan on gifting to a very close friend of mine. That is this product right here. This is from Blue Deer. These are hearing amplifiers that kind of remind me of some of the sports headphones that I use, when I go jogging or when I just run around throughout my day. We're going to unbox this, take a look at exactly what comes in the box and see what the main features are. And that way we'll be able to determine if this is going to be a great product for my friend as well as for you. You guys ready? You're ready? Let's go. All right, guys, so we're over at the desk. Let's take a look at exactly what comes in the box. As you guys can see, the box is really nice. Now, these do have an IP rating, but let's get started on what we find in the actual box. So first things first, wow, that is really nice. I like this special touch that they added here. All right, so here are our headphones. As you guys can see, they're presented really well here in the box. We're gonna go ahead and pull those out. Let's take a look at these really quickly, then we'll look at some of the accessories. So as you guys can see here, all of your controls are large and easily accessible. This is your on and off switch. Here's your volume control. Here is the USB-C for charging them. And you have a separate volume control on this side as well. You have a menu button right here. So it's going to give you separate controls on either side of the headphones, which is really nice in case, your hearing is a little bit different on each side. That's really nice the way these are designed. Now, remember, these are bone conducting headphones. So that means they're going to rest right up against your face. And they're going to transmit the sound through your bones in your face. All right, so let's see what else we get in the box. All right. So it looks like, first things first, it's just going to be some frequently asked questions. And we receive our, I guess this is a little starter kit. Let's see what this is. It's probably instructions, but let's take a look at that. Yeah, so this is going to give you your starter manual, things like that, welcome card, all of those things you're going to find in this little packet here. And then we have another small box here. Now this is going to give us our USB-C to USB-A cable for charging it. We have what looks like a little lanyard. I'm not sure what that is used for. And you also get a pair of earplugs. So if you want to isolate the sound so you don't hear other sounds coming in, you do have that feature using these little earplugs. But what I really like about these headphones, guys, is they don't go in the ear canal. And what that's going to allow you to maintain is your situation awareness. That means, basically you're going to be able to hear everything around you, even while you're using these headphones. Now, of course, you want to completely charge these guys up before you actually use them. Simple enough to turn them on. You're just going to switch it into the on position here. You're going to pair this up with your device. If you want to use this with your phone, if you want to use this with your tablet, your television, anything that can receive Bluetooth. Now, as I'm speaking, I can actually feel the vibration coming through these headphones right now. Yes, I feel the vibration of just my voice as I speak. So these are very, very sensitive. So like I said, if you guys are looking for some high quality headphones that's not going to break the bank, I think these are going to be great for you. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I just wanted to show you these amazing headphones that might be ideal for someone in your life or you. So if you're having, some hearing, challenges, definitely check these out. All right, guys, I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.